Don't download DiversyFund REIT investing app before watching this. If you're thinking about investing in real estate through DiversyFund, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's a simple way to grow wealth passively, but the surprising truth is that this app comes with risks and limitations you need to understand first. DiversyFund is a platform focused on REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allowing users to invest in commercial real estate without buying properties directly. On paper, it's appealing: low entry requirements, hands-off management, and the potential for passive income. But many new investors overlook a few critical points. First, liquidity is limited. Unlike stocks you can sell almost instantly, investments in DiversyFund's REITs are long-term commitments, often locked in for several years. If you need quick access to cash, this could be a major problem. Next, fees. While DiversyFund claims low costs, there are management and performance fees that can eat into returns over time. Even a small percentage can significantly impact long-term growth, especially if the REIT underperforms. Another important factor is market risk. REITs are tied to real estate markets, which can fluctuate with interest rates, economic cycles, and regional property trends. Unlike diversified stock portfolios, a downturn in real estate could directly reduce your investment value. On the positive side, DiversyFund offers automatic reinvestment and portfolio management, which simplifies the process for beginners. It's an educational tool and an accessible way to get started in real estate investing, as long as you understand it's not a short-term solution. In conclusion, don't download DiversyFund if you expect immediate returns or full liquidity. It's best suited for investors willing to commit for several years and who understand the risks of real estate markets. By knowing the limitations in liquidity, fees, and market exposure, you can make a smarter, informed decision about whether this REIT platform fits your financial goals.